Hello everyone, this is Miguel for 413 Customs LLC, doing a English version of how to connect your Venza headlights, the new Lexus style Venza headlights, how to test them. There's a lot of questions. Unfortunately, some people just don't know how to connect them even though they're plug and play. So basically, there's about 4 connectors. You get your blue and gray, you got your white and black, you have a little plug over here, that's for the little yellow light over here in the corner. Then you have this plug over here, which is for your animation and for the turn signal. So let's start over here with the white and black. White and black. Negative to black. Red to positive. There you have your high beam. Blue and gray. Negative is gray. Blue is positive. If you're having a short, if your fuses are shorting out on this plug right here, guys, put the black on the blue and the red on the gray, and that should solve your problem. Unfortunately, sometimes the polarity might be wrong, but if you plug in black to gray, red to blue like it's supposed to, it should work. If it doesn't work, grab your plug and flip it upside down and plug it in. That should solve the problem. Now, we have questions also that the animation or the turn signal is not working. On the gray plug that's over here, okay, the middle pin is the one that activates the turn signal. Okay. There you go. You gotta have positive current going to the middle pin for it to activate, and then your negative will activate. So the middle pin is the one that activates the turn signal. Once again, if for some reason it's not work, if you flip it, it's not gonna work because the plug is not gonna go in. All you gotta do is just pull it from here and turn it and plug it back in. Okay. Sometimes when these headlights are assembled, we're humans and the plug is turned the wrong way. Okay. I get questions also about the animation not working. If you connect this red cable by itself to a positive source, power source, 12 volts, is not going to do anything. You need to complete the cycle. You need to connect the plug first, and if it has positive and negative, it's going to actuate. So the red cable by itself is not going to do anything. Okay, positive and negative, and that's all controlled by the gray plug that's over here, guys. Gray plug. This red cable, you can connect it to a fuse, to another ACC power source or something. But in order for this red cable, the animation to work, you need to have your plugs connected. Okay, it's not gonna work if the plug is not connected. Guys, I think I made this as simple as I can. Working and your turn signals, you have to have the plug connected. Okay, the middle pin on the gray plug over here, that's the actuator for the turn signals. We have this red cable. Oh, what is this red cable for? Well, it connects to the headlights. Has a plug here, a plug over here, and the remaining piece of the cable, that's the one that you're going to connect to a power source, preferably ACC fuse. You can fuse it anywhere that has power, basically. Recommended that you fuse it. It's just not gonna work by itself. Once again, if you don't connect the gray plug, you have to connect the gray plug for this to work, because it is only the positive side. You need to have have the negative so you can close the circuit. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on the negative on the plug, on the gray plug. Put in the wrong one. And it's gonna do the animation. And once it's connected and you turn the signal, do the turn signal, it's gonna work right here. Okay, guys, I don't know how simpler I can explain this. Troubleshooting the headlights. We've only had about a couple issues so far with the fuses blowing. One has been fixed already just by turning this plug. I'm still working on another one. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of a simple process. Unfortunately, we're humans, and maybe a plug was connected backwards. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. Hope this has helped you guys on how to connect them. Once again, Miguel for 1 Customs LLC. I appreciate your time. Thank you.